Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number part 3rd and part 4th of question number 3rd, and in this case again you have to find the missing term in these two APs. Now in this case we know the first term and the fourth term, the second term and the third term you have to find out, and we know that if we consider the first term as A, so to find out the second term we have to add a constant to this, and that constant is known as D, which is common difference. And to find out the third term we have to add another the same constant to this second number, so we have to add another D. So now the D will become 2, and after that we have to add another D to the same thing, so there it will become 3D. So the first term is given as 9, the second term is this, the third term is this, and the fourth term is this. So the first term is given to us as 5, and the fourth term is given to us as 9 1 by 2, or this is 9 2s are 18, this is 19 by 2. So now with these two equations we can find out the value of D. If you are not able to understand how I am doing this, you know a formula where if you want to find the nth term, and in this case the nth term is the fourth term. So if you want to find the nth term, you have a formula that the nth term is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, and in this case you have to find the fourth term, so this will become A n minus 1 into D. Using this formula you can find out the same answer. This is same as this. I have already explained in the previous video, because the n is 4 here, because you want to find the fourth term. So if I substitute the value here as 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So our fourth term is A plus 3D, which is same as this. So let's solve this. I can substitute the value of A as 5. So this will become 5 plus 3D equals to 19 by 2. Now I can shift this constant to this side, because we know that if you want to solve a linear equation where you have to find a variable, so in this case you have to shift all the constant to one side and all the variables to one side. So we know that whenever there is a fraction, to solve that fraction we have to take the LCM, and the LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2, the quotient is 1, and 1 multiplied by 19 is 19. Now 2 divided by 1, the quotient is 2, and 2 multiplied by 5, the answer is 10. Now further solving this, 19 minus 10 is 9 by, this is 2, this will be 9 by 2 and 3D. I'm further solving this here. Now you have to find the value of D, so you have to shift this 3 to that side. So then in this case here 3 is multiplying D, so shifting that side it should divide here. So this can be 3 times. So the value of D here is 3 by 2, or you can say this is 1.5. Means the common difference is 1.5. Means if this is the first term, if you want to find out the second term, you have to add 1.5, which is the value of D, to find out this second term. So obviously this should be 6.5. Now again you have to add another D to this, so this will become 8, and if you add 1.5 to this, so this will become 9.5. This is 9 1 upon 2, this means 9.5. So these two must be the values here. Or in other words, if you are not able to find out directly, you can substitute the values here. This is the second term, A you know that 5, and the value of D you know that 1.5. So this will become 6.5. Here this is A, again 5, and D is 1.5 multiplied by 2. This is 3. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So this is how you can find these values. Now in this case, you know that the first value, and you know that the this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. You know that the value of sixth term. So if this is considered as the first term, The second, to find out the second term, we have to add a common difference, or you can say a constant to this, and after that we have to add the same constant to the second number. So we have to add another d. After that we have to add another d, the same case, and this will be, the sixth term will be a plus 5d. In this case, a is given to us as -4, the first term is given to us, and the sixth term is given to us, which is a plus 5d, and that is given to us as 6. So now if I substitute the value of a here in the second equation, I'll find the value of d, and if I know the value of d, I'll be able to find out all the terms in this AP. So solving these two equations, I have to substitute the value of a in the second equation. So this will become -4 plus 5d equals to 6. So now this is a linear equation. I have to shift this constant to this side. This 5d will remain as it is. 6. This minus, when shifted to that side, will become plus, and this will become 10, and the value of d here will become 10 by 5, which is equals to 2. So the value of d, or you can say the constant which are you adding in this is 2. So you have to add 2 to this first term to find out the rest of the variable, or you can say the rest of the terms on this AP. So if I add 2 to this will become -2. If I add 2 to this, will become 0. This will become 2, and this will become 4, and the last term will become 6. So this is how we can find out the missing terms here. You can substitute the value of d in these equations, you will get your answer. So this is how you can solve these questions. I hope you have understood this video, and if you have any problem in maths, you can contact us to the phone number, and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you.